Are you searching for lasting happiness? Or maybe you want delicious meals without compromising your health? Jennings has answers to all your problems. In Happiness Guide, 7 Steps to Contentment, she helps you dive into 7 transformative steps to unlock genuine happiness and contentment in your life. With A Foodie's Guide to Health and Nutrition, you will discover how to nourish your body while satisfying your taste buds. But that's not all. Wondering how to live a fulfilling life without sacrificing financial security? Read Stealth Wealth Lifestyle to learn how to thrive financially while prioritizing what truly matters. Transform your life today with Jennings' Empowering Trilogy. Available now at Amazon.